Good evening. This is Forexdiscovery speaking. It has been long I released a video, so today I decided to come up with a new video called how to follow the trend. As you all knew, many traders said that trend is your friend. Yes, trend is your friend, but I did not trust it. It's my friend, I agreed, but I did not trust trend. Let me prove it to you that it's not really a good friend. You can make it to be a friend, but don't trust trend. And what is this trend, gentlemen? Okay, this is this place is a strong point here, gentlemen. This is a new one of my small accounts that I normally play with. It's a live account, gentlemen. This place is a strong point, so that is likely this market will go up. Anyway, this is not our trend, but let me take this profit, $30 something. Okay, let me prove to you that trend is not your friend. Gentlemen, please listen very carefully. I want to show you some important things here. Mostly some of you that are following me in my YouTube channel and my signals, those of you that subscribe and pay for my signals, so this video is dedicated to you guys. You are making me proud. Just a reason I opened this YouTube channel, but I have almost 100 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, the support and the prayer. I'm really receiving your prayers every day. Okay, without wasting much time, let me continue with this training. First, when you want to enter market, gentlemen, I always advise you, or let me say, let me advise you. First thing that you are gonna do is check the direction of the market. Yes, try to check the direction of the market. Okay, where the trend are, where the candlestick are facing, which direction are they, and how are you gonna do this is by you to put big time frame. What are those big time frame? I think the big time frame started with this 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Now sometimes start with 1 hour, no problem. 1 hour is showing us is downtrend. Look at it from here, it's coming down. So if market or if candlesticks are coming down, what are you expected to do? You are to be selling, okay? And don't sell unless, if you see a long candlestick like this, allow it. This is yesterday news. I make some money here. Unfortunately, I close around somewhere here. Yes, I take my profit around somewhere here. Then the market continue coming down. Then in the night when I want to sleep, I place sell again. So in this morning I took some dollars, I think $220 something. Okay, now look at the trend. This trend is coming down, right? Then move to 4 hours time frame to confirm that. Look at it right from here. This market is coming down. What this is telling you is the dollars is strong, is stronger than euro. Look at it, the pairs. There are two pairs here, euro and dollar. Anytime you see market, you see candlestick coming down, the second pair is the most strongest. This US dollars is the strongest here. But if you see the market going up, the candlesticks, they are all going up from down to up. That means the euro is more stronger than the dollar at that particular time. It may change anytime. So this downtrend that you are seeing, this coming down is what we call downtrend. If it's going up, we are calling it uptrend. Okay, now after that, there is something I mentioned. This one is me that give it this name. Okay, now there is something I call to my client step down. This is step down. Look at it. The market move in a divergence way. Excuse me, a little bit down, then you come down here. This is step down, then you move in divergence way again, then you come down like this, continuously like this. So this movement I call it step down. Then the other one, the step up, reverse the case. The step up, it will move in divergence way, then it will move up. It will move in divergence way, then it will move up. That's what I call step up. So anytime I'm talking or I'm speaking to my client, if I tell you that the market is doing step down, you understood what I'm trying to tell you. Then the same thing will step up. Right, now change the time frame to 1 day. Now look at it, automatically this market is downtrend. So what are you gonna do, my brother? Always sell, always sell. Then don't forget to always check your news calendar. For some of you that don't know how to read the news, how to use the news calendar, you can contact me through this WhatsApp number. Is a special training entirely. Then I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, because if I said I'm going to enter news now, then it's going to take our time, and I don't want to do a very long video. Now this market is completely downtrend. Look at it. You move this way, this is step down, then this way step down, this way step down. Okay, so this kind of market I call it step down market. Once I tell you that it's a step down market, you understand what I mean. Now then you go back to your small time frame. I like using 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now under this 15 minutes and 5 minutes, look at it, what really happened. I did not see this in time. If I see this uptrend, this candlestick going up, honestly I will place sell here. Okay, but it has already gone halfway, so I don't want to enter the market again. I don't want to sell here. So in this kind of trend, gentlemen, please don't buy unless if there is a very strong news and it show you to buy. Okay, let's say now there is a dollar news and it show you that the dollar is weak, so automatically this particular euro is gonna drag the dollar going up, so you have to then place buy. But without any strong news, don't try to buy, always allow it. Now you saw what happened when I just log in. I was on profit. Why I'm on profit is when the candlestick is somewhere here, I place sell 3 places with 0.20 because of this small account. This is a small account, just $2,067. Gentlemen, this is a real account. Why I always cut it from here is because there is some smart guys, if you allow them, they are gonna see your account number and the broker you are using. They will start pushing you till they hack you. So that's why I'm hiding it. But to be sincere, this is my real account and I don't want to expose it. Okay, now when it is here, when the candlestick is here, then I place sell, come down to this place, particularly here, then I took my profit because of this strong point that it may likely bounce up, and really the candlestick bounce up, then it come down here, but I did not see it the time it reached here. I will have placed sell. By now I will have been on profit. Do you really understood what I'm trying to tell you? Always from beginning check the market trend, which direction is the candlesticks are. If it is downtrend, okay, now make up your mind that you are gonna sell, don't buy. But before you do that, allow it to come up near this moving average, this red line. In my previous videos, I show you how to apply this red line. The number is 14. So you place it anytime the candlestick come down here near the red line. Immediately you touch the red line, you have to place sell. Then within the one candlestick, take your profit. Don't wait till you make millions, okay? Don't wait till you make $100 or $50. If you make 10, 15 in two places, take it. Wait for another take up. When you take up, you go up. When it's about to come down, place sell again. Take it. Make your daily profit, daily target. The professional traders have their own daily target, okay? They will put in mind that, okay, today if I make $50 or $100, that's the end. I'm gonna close my forex. I'm gonna take my dog around. I'm gonna go to shopping mall. Then that's the end for the market for that day. Don't over trade. Then keep yourself on table from morning to night trading. You are gonna end up in losing. Don't do that. Have specific time. If you need those time, you can contact me. I'll give you some times that are very suitable for trading. Okay, now you place your sell, you take your profit. The same thing with buy. Okay, now let's check which trend. If euro USD is downtrend, then let's check. I think USD Swiss francs will be uptrend. Good. Now check it from the beginning, from the big time frame. Use 4 hours. You see it, the market from here, you see the candlestick from here is going up. So this kind of trend, you have to be taken advantage of by. Okay, you have to be taken advantage of by. Let me check one day. Okay, now you come down to small time frame. Now in this kind of scenario, you allow it to come down here, around here, like this one that I did not see it, this one that almost hit this moving average. Then I will place buy here. Then I will take my profit when he reach the former place that it turns back. Okay, because this is what we call a resistance point. For some of you that don't know how to identify resistance and support point, I have released that video on this my YouTube channel. Check for it. You will see it's gonna explain to you how to use it, how to take advantage of that and make a fortune every day. Okay, you're gonna make money with that setup. It's very important video. Now this is what you're going to be doing to make a money every day. Always you should follow the trend, and of course if the trend is about to leave you, you have to quit. For instance, now you see this candlestick. Oh, let me come back to the normal one that we are now. Let's go back to euro USD. Now for instance, now you see candlestick now go up. It give you engulfing candlestick. Now you come up around somewhere here. It means it has break off this resistance point, and it has broke off this resistance point. Once it is around somewhere here, my brother, close the market. Let them take whatever you lose. Close it. If it is $50 you lose, if it is $200 you lose, close it. Else, if you don't know how to learn how to take a small profit, later or sooner you are gonna take a mother and grandmother of loss. So don't wait. Once you are losing and you see that it has break up your resistance point or support point, close the market, go for another one. God will help you to recover it. I'm gonna stop this video till we meet in the next video. For some of you that always ask of my address, this is my YouTube and my Facebook ID. Then this is my WhatsApp address. Please, I prepare the WhatsApp message if you are willing to contact me. We used to manage account, but the account I manage is from $1,000 to above. Then at the same time, I used to send signal. If you want to subscribe to our signal, it's not that much, it's a little money that you can afford. You can contact me through here. Take care of yourself till we see another video.